Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, we will be doing an unboxing and also a review and testing of the T&G TG123 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. So without further ado, let's do some unboxing, as in now. This is the packaging. Okay. It's kind of similar to the Charge Mini packaging. If you haven't seen that video, this was the speaker. So this is the CHT and this is their packaging. See? So it's similar. So if you know anything about manufacturing in China, basically this is a white brand. Basically, if you have money, you just slap in a logo. If you have the money, and they'll just provide you whatever specs you need, whatever product that you can afford. As you can see, the packaging is the same. The quality is similar. It has a matte finish, so they came from the same manufacturer and designer. So let's not talk about CHT. If you want to watch the CHT video, it's already available. I already posted it last Saturday. Let's move on to T&G TG123. So this is their packaging. T&G comes with lots of variety of colors and textures. So it comes with the red, blue, blue floral, red, army camo green, floral, gray, and blue gray. Okay. So according to their specs, the output is around 10 watts. It's 5 watts and 5 watts times 2 RMS. It has a hands-free phone call. It has an aux input, that 3.5 jack. It has a card reader for the SD card. It also has a USB port for the USB stick. It has a radio, and they are advertising that it can reach around 10 meters range. Okay. So let's try to open this one. I bought the gray one. Oh, nice. Okay, so if you open the box, there's another carton here. So it's nicely tucked in the box. So let's remove the box. Okay, so inside this carton is a sling. You have the 3.5 jack for the auxiliary, and then you have the USB charging cable. Okay, this is the sling. I get the concept of this one. This is your speaker, and basically you just hook this in. Oops. So no wonder for the floral, they have two florals and the blue-gray. It's actually designed for the feminine side, so it doesn't necessarily mean that you're a woman. You could also be on the LGBT side. Okay, so they got floral. If you like floral, they have available. So it looks like a handbag or a purse. So if you're going to be going to the beach, or you're going to have some dance practice in school, this mobile speaker is very, very good and portable. Hence, it's called the TG123 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. So let's check on the aesthetics. Okay, both left and right has the bass sorry, I was already corrected, bass speakers. Okay, on top we have they have the power on, they have the mode, and they have the plus and minus sign for the volume and also for file selections. And they have something here that you could peel off. Okay, Here you could see the USB port for the USB stick, and then you have the SD card reader underneath, and then beside it on the middle is the USB charging port, and the last one on this side is the auxiliary. Okay, so the aux. So the aesthetics again, it has a good label here, T&G. At least they're not using any other brands except their own. The mesh here is made out of textile or cloth. It's nice. It's a little bit shiny. Runs to the back. Okay. So let's try to turn on this device.
Bluetooth mode.
It has a voice prompt, and it also has a sound effect so that you could be notified that it's powered on. Okay, let's proceed to the testing of the T&G TG123 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. It's a mouthful. FYI, I don't have an SD card, and I will never have an SD card because I don't use an SD card anymore. But we do have the USB. Let's try the USB first before we delve into okay. So it immediately read the USB music stored in the ScanDisk USB. Okay, let's try to pump up the volume. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky because sometimes if you don't press it right, it jumps to the other song, and like this, it just transfers to another song. Okay, similar to other speakers with the similar interface, control interface. Just press here. A quick press means that you're going to skip a file or move forward or move backward, whatever files you have. But if you press it long, and then you could have the volume up or the volume down. M is for mode, so you could supposedly swap from USB, from the media outlets here, to Bluetooth. Okay, so right now it's in the pause. Let's play it again. Okay, so let's try to volume down. So this is the bass side. So many of you would like to hear the bass, so this is a sample bass. Okay, let's stop. So that's the testing for the USB stick. So it works, no problem. Okay, the bass is working and everything's fine. So we just unplug it, detach it, and again you have a sound effect. That what you're hearing right now is actually the FM. So let's try to test an FM. Okay, let's turn it off first, and then in order to get an FM signal, supposedly you have to plug in a wire or a cable, which is the USB. So this is the antenna that we're going to use, because I saw that in one of YouTube videos, and they use this as the antenna, which is kind of weird for me. I'm gonna turn on.
Bluetooth mode.
It's in Bluetooth. Let's check for so depending on the signal, I could say that the FM radio is working. I don't know if we could let's try to find another station if it can. No, it doesn't. Am I just stuck with one station? No, that's the volume.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth. So since there's no knob to find an FM station signal, so I guess we're just stuck with one frequency or one station, and I don't know what station it is. But the radio is working, so I guess that's fine. Not bad. But it could have been better if you could know how to select the radio stations or the frequencies. Too bad. Okay, let's try to connect it with a cell phone via Bluetooth. So it's there. TG123. It's red clearly, and then let's connect it. And it says here, pair it. Okay, so we have that connection. Let's go to a YouTube. So let's play this one. Okay, let's end the cell phone. I'm pretty satisfied with the sound that's generated by the speaker, TG123 speaker. So let's move on to another device.
Bluetooth mode.
Scan. I hope you could read it. So it's there, the TG123 speaker. Let's pair it. Okay, that's good. It's paired. Okay, take 4. Let's try to test it with the lo-fi hip-hop music that I produced. Okay, after doing several tests with the laptop, with the tablet, with the cell phone, and using all those copyright-free music, so this is a buy. So if it's rated based on 5-star rating, I could say this is a 5, similar to the XM19 and XM20. So T&G Bluetooth speaker, T&G TG123 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. It's a mouthful. My God, can't they just shorten the brand name? Or we'll just call it TG123, TNG TG123 Bluetooth speaker. So that's all for now. Thank you very much. This is Charlie Jose, and see you in my next unboxing videos. Bye-bye.